That right there is a metallic contaminant and it's bleeding right now because it's literally just dissolving it on a chemical reaction level. Introducing our all-new Decon Pro color-changing iron and fallout remover. This is the newest product from the Chemical Guys lineup that literally dissolves all types of metallic contaminants on your vehicle's exterior surfaces. Now, the biggest question I know you guys may be asking is why should I use this on my vehicle and why is it important? Now, the biggest reason why you want to use something like this on your vehicle is to dissolve any kind of metallic contaminants that sit on your vehicle's paintwork. And this right here is considered to be a chemical decontamination, which is going to dissolve all the metallic flakes and particles on your vehicle's exterior surfaces, whereas a clay bar is considered more of a manual decontamination that's going to remove impurities like dirt and grime that linger in your vehicle's clear coat. Now, just how you clay bar your vehicle, you don't really see the contamination, but you know it's there because you can feel it, and in some instances you can actually see it through a microscopic lens. Another reason why you'd want to use an iron remover on your vehicle's exterior surfaces is for surface preparation. Now, whenever it comes to applying a wax, a sealant, a ceramic coating, or even if you're just going to do something like clay bar or polish your vehicle, you want to use something like this because eventually all the metallic particles, any kind of metal flakes, shavings, and stuff like that in your vehicle's clear coat can cause permanent damage, leading to thousands of dollars in repairs from having to repaint the car or replace the panels. So with that being said, let's cut the technical talk and let's get into the action. Bam! Before you start spraying Decon all over your car, you want to make sure to thoroughly wash your vehicle first. So make sure you rinse it off, wash it down with your favorite Chemical Guy soap, rinse it off one more time, and now you're ready to decontaminate. So just get your Decon and simply start spraying it directly onto the painted surfaces. And the cool thing about Decon Pro is that you can actually use this on a multitude of exterior surfaces, including your paint, your glass, your chrome, your wheels, your headlights, your tail lights, and any kind of other metal surfaces on your vehicle. All right, so what you guys are gonna notice right away after you finish spraying Decon onto your vehicle's paintwork is that you're gonna start noticing this reaction. As you can see, the product is clear, and when you spray it on there, it starts reacting purple, letting you know it's having that reaction to all those metallic contaminants on your vehicle's paintwork. And like I mentioned, this also works on paint, works on glass, works on wheels, headlights, tail lights, and everywhere in between. But just check out that chemical reaction. You can see very closely when you punch in, that bleeding effect actually starts and stems from a metal contaminant that's on the vehicle's clear coat. So if you guys check out my finger right here, that right there is a metallic contaminant and it's bleeding right now because it's literally just dissolving it on a chemical reaction level. So as you can see, that chemical decontamination is doing its job right now. You can see all the metallic flakes just literally being dissolved right before your eyes. And you can see that purple reaction, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Now, one thing I will tell you guys, if you guys spray this on your vehicle and you guys don't notice any kind of purple or maybe a very, very little purpling, do not worry. That just means that your paint is in a better condition and well-maintained condition. So that basically means you have little to no iron contaminants on your vehicle's paintwork, letting you know it's contaminant-free. All right, guys, now one thing I do want to mention is once you see that full reaction, that's letting you know it's ready to be rinsed off. Now, I know we only did this one section. Realistically, what I would have done is spray the entire exterior of the vehicle, and then by the time I come back around, I just start rinsing it off. But in this case, I'm showing you guys that chemical reaction, and now it's time for us to rinse it off. And one last thing I do want to mention is never let the product dry onto the surface, simply because if it does dry on there, you're gonna have to agitate it. And if you think about it, all that is metallic shavings on your paintwork. And if you agitate it with the brush or a wash mitt, you could potentially scratch up the paint. So that's why I always recommend spray it on there. As soon as you see that reaction react to its fullest, just rinse it right off. All right, so as you guys can see, the Decon rinsed off very nicely. There's no residue left behind whatsoever. Now, in this point in time, you just chemically decontaminated your vehicle from ferrous metals and metallic contaminants on your vehicle's clear coat. Now, what you can do from here is move on to a manual decontamination, which would be a clay bar and a clay lubricant. You can spray this on there and use a clay bar to remove any other impurities embedded in your vehicle's clear coat. From there, you guys already know, after you finish clay barring, you can move on to something like polishing your paint to remove any kind of embedded scratches and swirls, and then obviously ensuring that you finish off with some kind of protective coating like a wax, a sealant, a ceramic coating. Any of those will work, so as long as you apply at least one of them. The great thing about Decon Pro color changing iron and fallout remover is that it also works just as great on your wheels. So just how it did on the paint, now we can also use it on the wheels to remove brake dust and any other kind of ferrous metals that may be lingering behind. One more thing that I did want to mention before you spray Decon remover on your wheels is make sure that they're cool to the touch. So don't drive around the block 20 times, park it, and then try to spray this on there. Wait for your wheels to cool down and then spray it on. To use Decon Pro on your wheels, all you have to do is simply spray it on there, wait for the reaction of it to turn purple, and then once it's all purple, just simply rinse it off and your job is done. If your wheels are severely dirty and you feel like you want to agitate them to get a deeper clean, you can totally do so with your favorite Chemical Guys wheel cleaning brushes and wheel cleaner. Keep in mind, it's also perfectly fine if you just want to go ahead and spray this on your wheels, let it dwell, rinse it off, and just call it a day. But just like that, guys, that's how easy it is to chemically decontaminate your vehicle with their all-new Decon Pro color-changing iron and fallout remover. As you guys saw, it's not rocket science. It's just a matter of having a freshly washed car, spraying it on there, watching the show turn purple, and then just rinsing it off, and then you move on with your life. That's how easy it is. So with that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already, and we post content every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if you guys want to pick up your bottle of Decon Pro, make sure to tap the link in the description down below or in the pinned comment, or visit your local detail garage store to get your bottle today.